DIY jelly nails. You guys, these turned out so cute and they're really easy to do. So I'm going to walk you through how to get this look step by step. First off, you're going to need a top coat and a color of choice. So I'm going to be using the OPI plumping top coat and then the shade Cajun Shrimp. And basically what we're going to do is add the polish to the top coat. So there's two ways to do this. You can either take the polish and paint it onto the brush and then mix it in that way, or you can take it and drop it directly into the bottle. And this is what I personally prefer. I just feel like it's a little bit easier. But either way, you want to make sure you shake the bottle up so that you get a nice even shade. And then after that, you just apply it like you would any regular nail polish. So I'm going to go in with my natural nail base coat, let that dry, and then apply 2 coats of my new jelly polish.